Okay, we are resuming. We said we needed to correct all of this if this was going to go long. So this coming down to test this area is a necessity if we're going to move back up. But given the pattern here of a red day down with a high in the first half hour, high basically at the open, and a failure to go any higher here, ooh, this really raises some questions as to where this is going. Unless we get into a new low and then a lot of buying that begins to push us up higher, turning this into a green day up, this is going to continue to move down. So we are at a critical moment right now. Okay, that held. Better look at the premium. Premium is up. Now, I really would expect us to be going lower. Really would expect us to go lower. We get a little scalp here going on. A lot of selling on SPY at the bottom there. Mm-hmm. And lower still. Now that makes sense for some buying to be going on in here. But again, to make this successful, this is all going to change. We got to get buying in here. Otherwise, these people will be trapped. Looks like they're going to be. Okay. That didn't take us very far. Let's look at this. No, we're okay. Well, wait a minute here. Wait a minute here. No. Oh. That's not looking good. That's not looking good at all. That's going down. That's definitely going down. Now, oh, it's about to drop. Oh, come on. Oh, it's barely holding. And now it's holding more. But you know how it is. Sellers come in and they buy all that inventory. The sellers come in and buy. The sellers come in and take all of that inventory. And there we go. All right, we'll come back. Okay, we got to look at this. Once again, we're getting a divergence. So a little bit of a scalp in here. Okay. Yeah. Premium is long. And we never made it back up there. Welcome back. And we talked about the upper value area from the, looks like the 8th is at 37.50. So that would be our kind of our first target here. Be about 37.50. And as you can see, we're dropping there fairly quickly. Fairly quickly. But expect things will bounce a little bit before then. Well, let's just take a look at SPY. Look at SPY here. We're just going to try this at 6.8. Hmm. 42.81. That's quite a drop. All right. Now there's the IB calculation kind of falling into play here. Getting a little bounce off of that. And the TBOC from the overnight market here. All right, we just have to give this time. This is going to continue to fall. Whoa. That was a big drop, indeed. Yeah, interesting how the lower level here, we just breached that. Now we're getting a little bit of a bump up. Now we can certainly go below this without, this is just a range. But we certainly expect this to go ahead and take it to distance. And by that I mean at least down to the 3750 area. And we just hit 38. And there's 3775. And there's 3750. Thank you. 3725 is low. All right, we're out. Now, we just use that as a basis for that exit, and we're pretty much through for the day. We've got other things we got to get involved in here, but that certainly panned out the way we expected it to. And we messed up in a video that I tried to cut earlier this morning. I hit the wrong button and deleted the video. Sad to say. But just to recap where we thought this was going to go. Before the open, we were looking at how the market had begun to drop. And we failed to get a new high in the overnight market. Not that that would have really mattered one way or the other. But all of this area of repair was the initial and primary concern. So in the light of all of that, we anticipated this drop. Now, we also mentioned, and I've tried to correct this in videos, which I keep on messing up, that we were looking at a weekly pattern of a yellow day. That is an error. This is a red day, a red week down. And so we should continue to drop all the way into Friday. And that will, that's going to be kind of interesting to see how this all pans out. But now that we've hit this low, and you see we still have an area of repair in here, as well as in here, moving back up and fixing this area of low volume at this point makes good sense. So now that we've hit that upper value area at 3750, we can now anticipate a rebound. So there's money to be made in here in correcting and fixing this area of the profile. With a further move down, perhaps into the latter part of the day, the last half hour, because what we've got here, we had a red day up yesterday. Now we have, so far, it looks like a red day down. That is definitely what it's looking like. So that will complete this video. For the day, we'll come back and kind of recap things later on, but anticipate a move up here into the the lower value area at 41.25. That'll fix this area. So there's a nice little move in here on the way up. Alrighty, very good.